Yeah, yeah, Rakesh. Is it raining there? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. If in that case, if Wi-Fi off, we can't do anything. So till then we can proceed. Okay. Okay, you can share your screen. And also, what is the problem? You just let me know what is the issue with Nginx in that one. Yes. Yeah, I can see. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yes. Hmm. But this HTML file should HTML is its directory. The less, yeah, nothing is there. Index.html. But in you could not see any file right inside this HTML. So that is the reason. We'll do one thing. We'll follow one process. Okay, instead of using Docker file, so let us follow other way. So then after that we will also see this process. Okay. So first we'll do one thing. Which image you are using currently? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So Nginx image, any image, it doesn't matter, any images. Okay. So start. You can start any container, any container. Excuse me. Right. Yeah. First, what we will do is just start any container. Okay. So yeah, just started, right. Yeah. So update container. It is Ubuntu. Is it Ubuntu? App-get update. Update -y space -y. Yeah. No space after apt-get. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now cd where check where. No, no, no. Slash where file is not normal directory. It is a top level root directory. It will be there in top level root directory. Okay, cd where triple w, cd triple w, cd triple w, enter. Nothing is there, which means this Apache is not available in your container. Okay, so we'll take Apache. So now we will take Apache. After that we'll see Nginx. Okay, so apt hyphen get up. Sorry, apt hyphen get apt. Go back one step back. Nothing else. Yeah, apt hyphen get install Apache 2. Apache 2 hyphen y 2. Yeah, hyphen y. So this is one kind of server. Enter. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, no need all these things. It is installed successfully. That's okay. So now it's okay. Version not now matters. That's okay. You can, if you want to see, check. You can check, no problem. CD where this is actually default path anywhere. Even in, if you check in EC2 instance also. CD slash where slash www slash HTML. So this is default path for Nginx also. Any server, if you want to check, you can check here itself. This is the path wherever you install the any kind of server. So this is where means variables. In variables it will store. Okay, triple w html, all html related servers will store here. Enter. ls. Yeah, cat index.html. So this is default one. Automatic. Oh, no, no space. So this the default you it is giving whenever you install the Apache. This is default one. Okay. So whatever you want to keep, any if you have any site, if you have any HTML site, you can paste here. Okay, if you have any HTML ready with you, so then we can go with it. Okay. So then can you check service, service Apache to service Apache to status, status. It's not running. Okay, sometimes what happens whenever you install automatically, sometimes server gets started sometimes. Okay, that depends upon your versions and all. Okay, Nginx. Yeah, start. So now you need to check every time server is ready or not. You need to check always whether service server is working or not. Okay, now what I will do is it's running, right. Go to take your IP, your EC2 host IP. Go to EC2. No, go to AWS, right. Yeah, you can take from here also. No problem. Take public IP, not that. Public IP, IPv4 address. Here it is there, 44.2.4. So copy that IP address. You did not copy. You copied DNS name. I don't want DNS name. Copy IP address. Yeah, copy that, paste in browser. If it is works, that's fine. If not, yeah, we'll see. Not troubleshoot. Simply you need to enable inbound rules. It is working, right? Okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's working now. Okay. So whatever the file is there inside that server, it is working. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is one way. Okay. No, now go to Docker file. So where is your Docker file? Open your Docker file. You can exit, no problem. Show me that. Wait. Okay. Open it. Not like this. Just open Docker file. Which Docker file you kept previous? Yeah, then no problem. So nothing is there here actually. Okay, we can create new one. So create a Docker file. So in that you can keep a from image. I think you can take help from ChatGPT. Better you will get a Docker file, right? And you can save that in your document also. Maintain some document, Rakesh. No use. So if you want to refer it some after 1 year or 2 years, it should be handy. You should not look back again. Okay. So you, whatever after finishing the class, you have to make a notebook. Okay, we are human beings. You can't keep everything in your mind. Even if you keep in your mind also, after some days with a lot of tensions, you may chances to forget it. So anything will happen, right? So better I suggest always keep maintain notebook, right? So not Apache 2 for Nginx. Anyways, no problem. That's not a big deal. So already Apache 2 we have seen, right? Better you take Nginx. So give a proper prompt. Give Docker file to run website on on Docker container. Yes, and it should configuring Nginx. Yeah, using Nginx. That's fine. Nginx. Nginx. Yeah. Okay, let's come down. Scroll down. What is Docker file? Oh, 1 minute. Nginx Alpine. Alpine. Okay. Okay. Run RMF and okay. This is fine. Rakesh, copy that and use separate new chart. You are using previous one. Okay, so it is taking it as a previous reference. So it is asking to remove something. If it is new one, it doesn't show like that. Give a Docker file for install Nginx server to expose port 8081. You can keep like this. Give a Docker file for install Nginx server and Nginx server and expose port 81. 80 already is there, right? It is there in some other container. That's why I'm asking 81. That's it. Yeah. Sample one. Okay. Yeah. Scroll down. Let's see what is from image Nginx alpha. Okay. Run etc. Okay. Config default config. Okay. Copy. What is it? Nginx.configure. This file you should keep in your local machine. Okay. Expose 81. Start Nginx, because why it is asking to copy means this nginx.configuration file in the sense inside this some file should be there. Okay, you will create this next. You see this in bracket. Okay, so expose 81 instead of default 80. That's fine. Start Nginx foreground. That's fine. This is also fine. Daemon is off. That's okay. Scroll down bit. Scroll down. Yeah. So it is already given. So you can keep. Okay. Scroll once more. 1 minute. One more. What is the title for this? Nginx.configure file. It is only suggesting. Okay. If you have already ready, for example, in this case, your project, maybe your developer will written something on related to any web server. Okay. In this case, actually, that's fine. Nginx configuration actually listening port default is 81. See 80. Okay. So here actually we are actually listening 81 port because it is we are customizing, because already other server is in running with port 80, right? Other container. So that's the reason here it is taking 81. That's okay. No problem. Scroll down. Build and run. Okay, that's fine. Let's copy. Yes. Already you have a Docker file created. Just paste there. Paste here. Try to understand all the steps. Okay. So, but did this copy config nginx.config file you must keep. Okay. Save this. Okay. So go to ChatGPT. In Docker file, copy means you know that, right? Copy, it has given something in the sense that should be somewhere. Nginx.configure file must be there in your local machine. Clear? So that exactly that area etc nginx config.d. So copy custom nginx config file. So nginx.config file should be available in your host. So already nginx.configure file it has suggested by ChatGPT. Show me that. Yeah, this is the one. Let scroll down, Rakesh. You must know that what is title of this. Yeah, yeah. So that in the sense nginx.configure file file name must be that only. Okay, you create a file. Va nginx.config dot conf. Config means configuration. Okay, copy that and paste there. You try to understand. This is important. Or try to understand what exactly file is. Paste here. Try to understand this. Server listening port is 81. What is the default? Default is 80. Okay. Okay. Server name. Server name in the sense in your case currently localhost it has given. Okay. But in future if you deal with any project, server name might be your domain name. Okay. Location. This is the path. Okay. User share nginx html. That is a path. Okay. And index dot. That's okay. Error page. That's okay. It's okay. Save. So there is a configuration file must be very much big one. So you might be deal with this in future if you work with any kind of configurations related to all this. Okay, save this. Okay, uh, can you show me the file which you created? Okay, so pwd, yeah, yeah, I know, I heard that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So are you getting any sound? Uh-huh. Okay, 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 fine. So now, yeah, pwd. So this is your path. This is your what is this path? This is the path, source path. Okay. So in copy, you must use in Docker file. In copy, you must use root slash nginx dot config like that. So whatever default file is, that was wrong. Open it. Not one. One only you copied. Okay. Okay. Take default file now, Rakesh. It is easy. Fine. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. It's okay. Yeah. After copy, go. After copying, go there. No, no, don't remove that, Rakesh. That is actually destination path. Don't remove destination path. You must change the source path where exactly your current file is there. Okay, you are actually keeping the source path. Source path is root slash. What is the source path? You copied right somewhere. Slash root root slash, yeah, and you see etc nginx config.d. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and okay, save it. Okay, save it. Okay, so saved it right. So now Docker build hyphen t. What is the file? Docker file. Keep the name. This is image, right? No, no, no. Remove that name. Image. Keep image. Keep image name. Any name. Maybe Nginx server image. Nginx image. Hyphen image. img enough. Okay. If you give dot, it won't take. Why? Because you kept some different name. I was telling since long time Docker file is actually default file. If you keep only wait, if you keep only dot, it will search where the Docker file is. You manipulated with the one. So which if you manipulated with the one, Docker is it will not take default file. If there is a default file, if you keep dot, That will run only, not any other file. Okay, understood? What did I say? Can you please repeat? Hmm. Hmm. So for that, actually, we have other command. So can you please open your notepad? Hyphen F you need to mention. So where is notebook? Notepad. The file name. I'm actually getting. I'm also a bit confusing with that name. Scroll down. Oh wait. Stop here. Scroll up more. Hmm. Yeah, where we have multiple Docker file with a different file name. Wait, not that one. Below one. So Docker build hyphen F. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Docker build hyphen F, file name and hyphen T and image name and dot. You have to keep like this if multiple files are there. Okay, do like that. If you have a default Docker file, that is very easy. You should not mention all these things. Just simply Docker file dot. That's it with image name. Yeah. Just modify here only, right? You okay? Fine. Paste here. Docker build hyphen F. What is the file name? Docker file one. I'm not having water today. Image name. Any new image name. Nginx hyphen image. Enter. It's building. There is an issue. One sec. Copying. It is not finding somewhere. Wait. Failed to resolve this compute catchy key. Failed curriculum checkout. So and so. Okay. Image got created. Not found. Okay. Can you copy this entire error along with the command? Complete. Copy entire thing from the along with the command. Hello. Yes. Tell me. I said along with the command. Okay. Hello. Tell me. Here also same. Hmm. Okay. Okay, paste there. Oh, it is not recognizing it. Okay, scroll down. It is trying to search that location. Okay. Try to read it. Okay. Okay. Copy that. Just modify simply. Oh, 1 second. Can you show me config nginx.config? 1 second. Here also index.html user share nginx. This is root file. That is location inside the container. Okay. Okay. Copy that config. Docker file and paste. Replace it. It's not show like that. Earlier I did not. Okay. Okay. Still root is there. Save and run it again. Run it again. Docker build hyphen f docker file 1 image hyphen t, right? Create new image. Nginx give different name because already it got created. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, it is builded. It's fine, right? Now go to that image, Docker images, and you have to create a container also, correct? Right? So open that. I mean, no, no, no. 1 second. Where is that? I'm asking. Where is that image? Show me. Can you show me? Ah, yeah, yeah. This. On top of this image, you have to create a container, right? So what is the command? Docker run. Docker run. Hyphen it. Hyphen name. Just cross check. Don't enter like that. Okay. So cross check after that. 1 second. Docker run hyphen d. So remove all these things. I'll tell you why it is different from other means you are actually you need to mention port also. First you can keep like this docker run hyphen d hyphen p. So you can keep anywhere, no problem at all. But still remove that name also. Uh, Docker run hyphen d hyphen t remove. Docker hyphen d means detached. Hyphen p means port. 8181. 81 is related to container, other 81 is related to host. Okay. Hyphen name. Hyphen name. I think it is Nginx server, right? Nginx keep server. I mean container name. Nginx container one or Nginx server. You can keep anything, right? And what is the image? Yeah, Nginx hyphen cv one. Right. I think bin bash is not necessary. I think so. Yeah, actually, yeah, it is fine. Let's try with bin bash. Bin bash. Fine. Enter. Unnecessarily getting errors. Fine. Go to PS, Docker PS. It's working. So copy that IP address. Hey, wait. What is this Nginx web hyphen image? This is different one. Okay, let's go containers, Docker containers, ls hyphen a. So which one we have created now? What is the name of container? Nginx. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Copy that. Start it. Start the container. Docker start container ID. You know that already. Okay. Docker exec hyphen it. Exec hyphen it. Container ID. Bin bash. Hmm. Okay. So what you do is not running, which means I'll tell you. Docker stop. Docker ps. Okay. Docker start. Sorry. Docker stop. This container ID. Give that running container ID. This container ID. Copy it. Stop it. Okay. Now start. Docker start. Other container ID. You can copy from there, right? Already. FF670. Enter. What is this? Command start. Docker attach or no. Docker exec hyphen it. So why I'm using this command? My intention is not to go inside the container. Okay, I want to run it. Run this container. Bin bash. Response daemon container. Something is not running. Why? 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 Okay, try to go attach. Attach Docker. Attach that ID. Yeah, it is not running. Just go inside. I want to go inside. Docker attach paste. Before that, you need to start. Right? I think yeah, stopped container. You can't attach stop container, which means you need to start the first. Attach. One second. Hmm. Which one? This one? Oh, long back. Stop this container also. Docker PS. Check Docker PS. Yeah, let us wait. Okay. You have to use immediately. Can you use upper arrow for start again? Yeah, started. Next upper arrow, attach. Next one, yes, enter. Okay, so you can't attach to a stopped container. Start first. Ooh, why we are actually starting? So shall we go with the Docker exec affinity? Docker exec -it. Yes. One minute, Rakesh. Something is there. Something is there. No, no, no. Copy entire things. Whatever we have done, the activities. Copy this. Go ChatGPT. It does not show like that actually. It will start immediately. I don't know what error exactly it is. So take all this. Yeah. Take enough and paste there. So this is the reason why Kubernetes came into the picture. Clear? Root cause. What is the rule? Exist right after start. Okay. We are doing that only. Oh. You are running Nginx without daemon off. Okay. Go to Docker file. Okay. One second. Scroll down bit. Scroll down bit. 1 second. Docker logs. This is something. Scroll down more. Common to fix of CMD Nginx. You already mentioned this one, right? Scroll down. Docker build -f docker file one -t. We did already this. Okay. Next docker run -d. This one. Okay. Okay. Same command it is suggesting. If already created, remove the recreate. Scroll down. Docker remove. It is asking to remove, and we create it first from the scratch. Okay. There was a little change because 1 second. Scroll down. Scroll up. So I'll show you here. Scroll down bit. Demon related. Yeah. This already you mentioned in the Docker file. Copy that once. Just copy it. Yeah. Go to Docker file. Exit from here. Yeah, here only, right? Yeah. Docker file. Okay. So yeah, just replace this one. Remove this. Don't copy. Don't select anything. It doesn't work. Use. Wait. Again, you need to copy. You selected other thing. No, Rakesh. You select means copy here. Again, you need to copy from. Yes. Yes. Save this. Rerun the document container. Wait. What are the Docker file? Is just remove that Docker file. You can directly copy from ChatGPT. It is already showing that. In ChatGPT, it is showing to remove the containers. Just remove. Enter. Okay, removed. Go to ChatGPT again. Scroll down. Up. Sorry. So it is also telling. It is also telling that you need to rebuild again. So copy the same one. It is asking to rebuild. So no need to do any changes. Scroll. Paste here. So the image will update. Okay, enter. Yeah, now copy that build command. Docker build. Yeah. Sorry. What is it? Docker run. Wait. Hyphen D hyphen P 8181 hyphen name Nginx SUV image. This is image, right? Enter. Yeah. Docker PS. Yeah, it's working. Fine. Go copy chat. Copy IP address of your host. Go to browser. Paste. Take incognito window. No, it's not working. Which means, um, can you click on that IP address? One second. One second. One second. Click on that IP address. Take left arrow. Left arrow. Copy that. Enter the copy. Control A. Control X. Control V. Wait. HTTP 442. That's fine. Go to inbound rules. Go to inbound rules. Mm. Security. Yes. Click on that security group ID. This one. Can you close this window? Yeah. Edit inbound rules. Here, add rule. HTTP. I think no, not that. Not a custom. You take no, no, custom, custom. Yeah, custom TCP. Yeah, yeah. Take 81. Uh, take anywhere. No. Wait, Rakesh. No, Rakesh. Anywhere I said. Anywhere IP4. Save it. That's it. Save this. Okay. Go there. Browser. Refresh. Hmm. Okay. So you do one thing. No. Wait. Colon 81. Colon. I said. Colon Rakesh. 81. Enter. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Hmm. Can you remove that 81? Remove just I only run with IP. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, right? So earlier, without the without a port also it used to run because basically 80 is a default port. So that's the reason for Apache 2. Even though if you don't mention, it was running, right? So now this case it won't run without without port. Okay. Nowhere we did not mention any HTTPS for nowhere we did not mention anywhere. You see that if you can see anywhere we did not mention HTTPS. Okay. The same IP address you can copy other browser also. So it is depends upon browser also. That is the reason I asked you to check there. Why what I have asked is I just asked you to check. I checked clearly HTTP or HTTPS. If you copy that IP address, you paste somewhere other browser like Google or some other browser, so you can find it. Hello? Yeah, tell me. What do you want? Sorry, Rakesh. Just one second. Which ticket? From where to where? Okay, 1 second, Rakesh. Rakesh, yeah, yeah, that's how. Um, and also you have other server, right? Docker containers. Can you open that containers? So what is the server? You need to identify it. I think this is the one 80 port, which means um F 51F65. I think so. No, not that one. I think which one? I want old one. So which we ran that, right? This is the old one. No, no, not that one, Rakesh. I'm asking the server which we installed as Apache. We removed only this one only. The previous one only we removed. I want Apache one. That is the one, right? Copy that. Copy. Yeah. Docker exec -IT paste. I think we have to start before this. Sorry. Can you close this? Control C. Docker start. Paste here. And after that, Docker exec. Enter. Next, Docker exec -IT paste bin bash. What is this? No such file directory. Yeah. Docker PS. Oh, wait. What is this? Oh, it is showing some kind of. Wait. It is pinging you. Windows. Docker Control C. Docker PS. Yeah, that is a new server. I want to start that old one also. Can you copy this? Whatever you got that error with command. With command, Rakesh. Yeah. Okay. Copy. Yeah, paste there. ChatGPT. It's selected. Okay. Just keep here. I want to start with the detached mode. Right. Please type it. Yeah. 1 second, Rakesh. 1 second. Start your country. It is also shown. On IP81. Scroll down. Scroll down. Mm, mm, mm. Bonus restart stop to container safety docker start. Okay, that's scroll down. So type here. I want to start other container in detached mode. Container ID, copy that container ID. Detached. Copy that container ID. Is that correct? Is that correct one only? Okay. Okay. Uh, 1 second, Rakesh. Page ala. Sorry. Okay. Rakesh, scroll down. Yeah, this is what we are doing. Copy that. Docker exec -80. Sometimes it shows bin bash, sometimes sh. What is this? I don't understand. Paste here. Enter. And before that, we need to start the container. Just start the container and repeat the same command after start the container. Repeat the command. Hmm. Okay. ls. Yeah, ls. Okay, 1 second. Where? cd where? Triple slash triple w cd triple w slash. Oh, wait. It is not showing nowhere, no such file or directory. Yeah. What is this? So remove that. ls. I think this is not the one. Because where is the triple W file? I, if it is not there in the sense, this is not the container. We ran the container right earlier, so you might have you have gone through that particular directory where triple W HTML. So where is that path? Which container that was? That is the reason naming conventions are very very most important. In such case, you are identifying manually. So, for example, there are a lot of containers will be there in your company. You might not get this much time to search it, sort it. Okay. So naming conventions are important. So what is this? E then so go to ChatGPT and give that exit Docker start. Sorry, Docker start after that. This one next Docker. What is this? Start start. Yeah, Docker exec enter ls where cd where triple w no slash where go inside. Okay, yeah, triple w is there. Yeah, cd triple w slash yeah html cd html. Okay, cd cd sorry cat index.html, right? Oh, yeah, this is the file. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Go to ChatGPT once. Scroll down bit. Okay, that's fine. Go back to terminal. Just exit there. Exit. Okay, Docker PS. Yeah, it is running. See, 81 and 80 both are running. Copy that IP address from host. IP address. Copy that IP address. Instances. Click on instance. Yes. Copy that IP address and paste somewhere else in browser. Some other browser. Remove that old one. Paste here. Paste without any 80 colon 80 nothing. Just paste it. That's it. Yeah, it is browser issue. Okay, it is not related to anything. Okay. Okay, it's working. So which means two containers, two servers are working. Okay. On top of your Docker, two servers in the sense two applications are running in one network. What is the network? It is a bridge network. It is default bridge network. Bridge will be custom bridge will be there and default bridge will be there. Currently you did not create any network. That is the reason it is in on top of only default bridge network. So two containers running in the sense two different web servers are running. You may consider one container, one application is front end, one application related to back end. Clear? Yes. Okay. Load balancer concept will not came here. Not in there is no any there is no any concept related load balancer in Docker. That is the reason we have a Kubernetes, auto scaling, load balancers, auto healing. Okay, all these comes under. Okay, these are all comes under Kubernetes because there is no self healing. If something happened, we have troubleshooted a lot, right? You should have to go logs. You need to identify the logs. You need to understand the logs, and you have to rebuild and you have to reheal it yourself only manually. There is no auto healing. That is the reason Kubernetes came into the picture. Okay, follow my shorts. You can understand. Today I posted one thing related to this. Okay, why Kubernetes existed in the sense, that is the reason. You just go and watch that. You can understand. Okay, so this is what you understood, right? How to run the containers, how to run live web applications on top of this. So this is actually code has been provided by ChatGPT today, HTML code. Okay, but in real time there will be, for example, if it is React.js application, the code files, whatever the files are there, you should build on top of your container. Okay, your project files related, what are the code related files will be there in your container. Okay, you just simply use Docker file there. In that only, you just from the your host machine to your container, you just paste, or you can use tar.gz. You can compress it and you can use that file in your container. So that's how you can keep your project related files. If there are a lot of files will be there, here in our case only one page, but in real time, if it is real time web application or finance related application or e-commerce related application, we do have multiple files will be there. One page, front end page, footer page, back page, page, that page, this page, lot of files will be there. Okay, so in our case only one page. This is only welcome page, that's it. Okay. Okay, Rakesh, thanks for joining. We'll see you tomorrow. Is it possible tomorrow? Okay, that's fine. Huh? We'll connect tomorrow. Take care. Bye.